Presenting a pre-owned 2024 BMW X3. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include convenience package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat, anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, moonroof, and heated front seats.